Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show how to review products on Etsy. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up any web browser on your PC or laptop and head over to Etsy. And once you're inside Etsy, make sure you sign into your account here. And then once you've done that, click onto your account. And then click on purchases and reviews. This is where you get the option to review your purchases. So I'll go ahead and click into that. And on this page will be all the products you've bought on Etsy. And as you can see, I've got none because I haven't bought anything off Etsy at the moment. So I'll just give you a quick demonstration what that will look like. So here, so to give a review on Etsy, simply give this item a star rating out of 5, and then once you've done that, this will pop up, and then this is where you can put in the description of your review. So you can say great quality and the item arrived quickly, yada yada yada, thank you. And then after that, you can add a photo if you like to, which is optional, and then simply click on post your review, and that's will go onto Etsy